Good morning, everyone. Today's bill work requires you to do a thesis statement and to provide two citations that you could use to prove your thesis statement. Let's remember that a thesis statement is just answering the question, infusing your opinion on it. You can agree or disagree on the question. So read the question carefully. If you think that culture and education or values and education help the community, then you need to bend your answer towards that and find citations that would support that. And if you think that values, home values and education do not help the community, then you move on to answer in that fashion and support it with the citation. Now, for you to help you when you open your assignment, you can see that it is a Google Forms and it also has the link for the audio. Please go to VHL and look at your V-text and reread the story if you need to. It's on page 10. If not, if you don't need to, that's fine. And if you need to re-listen to the audio from yesterday, the link is just right here for you to just click on it and listen to it again. You can read the story and listen to the audio as many times as you wish. When you are ready, this is a form that you can go in and out. It is not blocked, and you can go to the audio or go to the book at any time, in and out. And as you can see, it has all the instructions. The actual reading is on page 10 and the audio is on page 14, but I have also included the link right here for your convenience. Now, one thing I did want you to know that it is best if you do citation with in-text citation, which is very, very easy. So in these citations that you would have here, escribe una cita de la lectura y escribe una cita del audio. You will write something like, en la lectura de Fernando Sabater, dicen que, and then you will fill it with whatever it is that you found in the reading that supports your answer. The same thing would go for the audio citation. You would say something or write something that says this. En el audio, valores desde la familia dicen que, el autor dice que, el entrevistador dice que, and then you would add whatever it is that supports your thesis statement. Remember, the question is, ¿cómo contribuyen la familia y la educación a los valores y al bienestar de una comunidad? How do they contribute? You can say they do not contribute, or you can say that they do contribute, and then the how, el cómo, would be explained with the citations. All right, or el cómo no will be explained with the citations. So this is a very simple, short assignment in the sense that I would only need one or two sentences here that answer the question with infused with your point of view, and one citation from the reading and one citation from the audio that supports your point of view. If, as always, if you need any extra help or if you are wanting to ask me any questions, please email me with a good time to do a Google Meets, and where you and I can speak directly and see what things are needed or what I can explain for you. Good luck with today's assignment. There is another assignment on your classroom for today that it says Spanish speaking countries, and this is supposed to be slightly I don't want to say fun, because what's fun to me may not be fun to you, but it's a slightly easy assignment, and it's also an ongoing assignment. It has several things that you need to, it has your instructions here, and then it has a map. In this map, you insert text boxes to write the name of the country and the capital underneath. And then you choose 2 countries. So you have a little paper where you would put on top where the name of the country is, you know, which country you chose. For example, you can choose Colombia, or you can choose any country. One of your countries, though, this is a very specific part of the instruction, is that one of the countries that you choose has to be your heritage country. So if you or your family or your Hispanic heritage comes from Mexico, then definitely one of your papers is going to be on Mexico and the other one on another country. I know that I have people that are from Costa Rica and people that are from Puerto Rico. So for those people, your heritage country will be Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, República Dominicana, Nicaragua. It depends where you're from, your family heritage is from, and then one extra country of your choosing. You are going to become an expert on those 2 countries. And this is the other thing that you will do. You will write some news. So you will go online, and remember, if you Google in Spanish, it comes back in Spanish. So Google, make the questions in Spanish. We need to know a little bit about culture, a little bit about art, theater, music, books, anything that is less than 3 months old that will tell me something about what happens, what's the culture of the country you have chosen. And on the other side, we're going to talk about politics, finance, finanzas, el medio ambiente, anything, any news that is related to politics, related to finances, or related to el medio ambiente. I'm sure that on this side, we will see a lot of, at least one box that has been chosen for COVID-related news. In any of those, you have you have 5 spots, and you may repeat 1 spot. So you may have maybe 2 things about politics, or you may have 2 things about finances. On this side, you also may repeat 1 spot. The rest have to be unique. If you have any questions, just let me know via email. Good luck today, and please keep up with your work. It is imperative. Grades are starting to come in, and for everyone, I just want you to know that progress reports are coming out next week. Good luck, keep yourself safe, follow the protocols, and till the next time.